Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Oreo shake. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 Oreo cookies, 1.5 cups of your favorite vanilla ice cream, and half a cup of milk. For the best results, make sure your ice cream is slightly softened, which helps achieve that perfect creamy texture. Have a tall glass ready, because you'll want to enjoy this treat right away. Now, let's get blending. Carefully add about 8 to 10 of your Oreo cookies, the 1.5 cups of vanilla ice cream, and the half cup of milk into your blender. Secure the lid and blend on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth and wonderfully creamy. If you prefer a shake with delightful cookie chunks, add the remaining 2 to 4 cookies now and pulse just a few times. This creates a fantastic texture contrast. Once your shake reaches that ideal consistency, it's time to pour. Carefully transfer the thick, creamy Oreo shake into your tall glass. For an extra special touch, top it generously with a swirl of whipped cream and place a whole Oreo cookie right on top as a garnish. You can also drizzle some chocolate syrup inside the glass before pouring or over the whipped cream for an added layer of rich flavor. Enjoy your masterpiece. Here are a few pro tips to elevate your Oreo shake experience. For an even thicker shake without diluting the flavor, try using frozen milk cubes instead of regular ice. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ice cream flavors. Chocolate or mint chip can create exciting new variations. Remember, the key is to blend until smooth, then pulse for those perfect cookie bits. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.